Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm hopping in here to give y'all a little motivation just to show y'all some things. We gonna go through these charts. Now, it ain't no active trade. This is a new account. I just got this account a few hours ago. I plan on doing some trading on this account with some new strategies and stuff, but that's for another time, another place. I just want to tell y'all that have the software what's good. Like, y'all see the market been cooking, people. Don't act like y'all ain't seeing it. We all seeing it. I had got cooked a little, but just check it out. So we got the Pyrex vision, right? I just want to show y'all what's going on, man. When we go to the scout mode, man, when you see GJ, you see that, you click the button, you see the ribbon changes. This scout mode is the bank stimulus system, right? Okay, when you hit scout mode 2, that's the bank executive. What's the difference here? Do y'all see the difference? It's the ribbon mainly moving, right? Right? Y'all see that? The trades is kind of the same damn near, right? Okay, so y'all see that. You see it's way more entries. Now, what you don't know is when you use this, you should be going to the lower time frame, really. And as you can see, you see there's so many entries, right? How do you avoid taking some of these bad trades if you go to the lower time frames though, right? Y'all probably like, nah, look at all of that. But look, what you want to do is you could turn the robot on so it only takes this trade right here. Now, when you take this trade, we call this the target trade. You'll get this trade, and as you can see, man, on the lower time frame, with this situation on this robot, come on, man, 245 pips. 180 something pips, 200 pips. I mean, whenever you would have got out the trade, this is all during one day, by the way. So at the lowest point of the day, you got 250 pips off that one signal. You could just turn that on the robot. But then if you want to get crazy, you want to go to intraday. Now in a lower time frame, you bump it up a little higher.
We have a possible change to bearish momentum. Look for a move to the downside on pound yen 1 hour chart.
And boom. The robot just told you look for a move to the downside. What does that mean? That means that GJ is now downtrending, okay? So the pip count for today is only 25, and the ADR is expecting 102 pips for the day. So that means that we just caught the sell signal on this robot, right? What we gonna do, man? Why not, man? Why not? Why not? I did it. Let's turn it on. Let's turn it on, man. Let's eat. Let's eat. So anyway, even though I kind of don't like it, I would have preferred just taking it up here. I did it just for the sake of the video. I turned the robot on, so it automatically put me in that cell. Alright, we're going to see what happens. Like I said, the ADR is expecting another 80 pips. I'm going to take the shot. Why not? Why not? And then if we switch the swing, now you get way more positions. You see? These are the real trades I teach y'all to take, because look at how every signal was quality. This is what the Bank Wealth robot is. But we put all of the bank series in one and came up with the Pyrex vision. Now I mixed it with a bunch of other systems so that we could get the best play every time we take a trade. Now, as you can see, this is beautiful. Look, you got the target trade, like I said. Now look, you took this trade, and you gotta have patience to do this, because look, if I put the period separator on, this is only gonna come out every couple days. That's why I tell people, and I'm not suggesting y'all do this because the results may vary, but I tell people who are personally, who invest in personally helping me trade, or me helping them trade, turn this on and leave it on this. When you put this on, look, I just want y'all to see the reality of what you get. Yes, you see how many pips that is? I want y'all to really understand what happened. I want y'all to look at that pip count. That is 1,700 pips. Okay, so I want y'all to know these systems work. These systems work, because people say, oh, why does it cost that? Well, look, you would have put this on, only traded the target, and when you would have got your trade, look what you would have got. Now this target trade, I'm gonna keep it tall with y'all. Let me turn this over. This is giving me Virgolato. Now let me turn that off so we can scale. Now you will get this move to happen. This is the end of the trend, so you will get the signal. And yeah, this is a trade. It's a small trade. You got to manage it, but you should know to manage it because it's right at the end. You got to watch that trade when you take it. But look, let's just say for some reason you lost this trade, right? Okay, cool. Look how many times you're going to win this position. Look, look. So like I said, this strategy that we have, it is a 7 out of 10 winning trade. And when you win big. So when you guys say, hey, when I hear y'all say, hey, how come it costs? It's an investment. See, look, we starting to get in profit on that trade, even though it's in a bad spot. I don't like the spot we're in, but I'm going to let it run because...
New low on pound yen.
There you go. The robot is see. This is why this system is fire. So when you guys do that, you have to understand this is what you're going to get. Just let the robot work or study it. You don't have to turn it on. Use it, study it, observe it. I'm giving you my secret sauce. I'm telling you right here, this target trade is all you need. You can get rich off that trade alone, but you just got to have the patience to let it run, let it rock. But I keep telling y'all, people don't understand. I'm seeing y'all get cooked the last couple days, and the reason I'm able to come on here and start busting out these trades like this is because I believe in my strategy, and I showed it to you for the past 2 years that it works. So this video is not to sell it to you. It's not to convince you. It's to show you you cannot argue with trades. You can't argue with the charts. You can't. You can't do it. You can't do it. You can't. Okay? So let me put it back on intraday because that's where I wanted to be at. That's where it took the sell. That's where it belongs. And I'm going to leave it there. Let's just look. Look at these charts. Look. Just look. We got the target again. We got it again. We got it again. How many times do I have to show y'all this? Let's look. Got it again. How many pips is this, guys? This is live, by the way. Go to your charts right now and look. This is all live. This is almost 1,000 pips. 856 pips. Guys. And it don't matter what bank series you get. If you start with the bank series, let's just see, look, you're still going to get this move. When it's time to eat, it's time to eat. So why do you guys actually ask questions? You should not be even asking. If I'm here to teach you and give you these one-on-ones in these classes, and you see the system is killing it consistently for me day in and day out, day in and day out, day in and day out, what are y'all waiting for? Why are y'all losing? Why? All you gotta do, if I'm gonna tell y'all the secret, I'm gonna tell y'all the real truth here. All you gotta do is turn this on. Just tell it can take every signal you get on this chart. But if you really just want to chill, turn on the target trade and go to sleep. Lay down, relax. Now I can't tell you to do that because that's financial advice, and I'm not no financial advisor. I'm telling you, look at the chart, look at the strategy that I gave y'all, and you tell me what you see, and you tell me what you think. So I'm in a good mood today because I was looking at some trades I took that I lost, and I realized it's because I wasn't paying attention to my own system. I decided to just start going off and doing other things. Now, this is a strategy that I mastered. And that's a big word to use, but I'm telling you, I mastered it, right? And I kept saying to myself, how did I lose these trades? It's because I started getting cocky. Because the market has been trending for a long time. Now, if you look at the 1 hour, look at this right here. Let's put the period separator on USD. This is my favorite pair, guys. Yeah, I know this one. As far as Forex goes, this is my favorite pair. So I'm gonna put a shape on the chart, and I know y'all can't see me put that out because for some reason this streaming software, it doesn't allow me to show y'all like when I click buttons. I don't know why. But look how many days it stayed in this area right here. I just want y'all to see that. And that's what the market normally is doing. And that's what's happening, and people can't trade that. They're getting cooked. And y'all keep saying, I don't use indicators. I don't use robots. There you go. There you go. Well, I do, and I guess what? I ain't getting cooked out here. I ain't getting cooked out here. All right, so let me delete that. It's ugly. Let me take that off too. That's ugly too. But this is the problem. Now my ribbon is beautiful. The ribbon is excellent because the ribbon is the money. But I just wanted to make the video to show y'all like what's going on so y'all could see this for yourselves and understand that this is real life. This is what we're doing. This is what's happening. And people who are struggling when the market gets like this, yeah, you better go get you a damn system. Stop listening to these people. I don't do that. Look at the robot. Look how I ate. Look at all these trades. Now look. This is to show you how real it gets. Look how I ate this buy. See, the robot is going to leave this watermark. I won't get into details on that. This is how I catch people when they start lying, right? But this robot, look what it did. Look at all these trades that it took. Now, when you see those little arrows where it does this, this is the robot protecting me from bad trades. I have a trade protection inside of the robot that I turned on. And whenever the trade is trying to go against me, like it was doing right here, I was selling and it started buying. The robot saw that and it said, hey, and it left a mark to let me know that it decided to go in another direction. Just like right here, see? It was selling, boom, boom. It started buying. The robot said, hold on. It jumped in those. Then it said, nope, we gotta sell. And then it was like, hold on, we're buying. And the robot did all that because I turned that on inside of the robot. But for those of you who have the systems, just trust your systems when times get like this. If you're losing for some reason, you're probably doing what I did the other day. I had a day when I lost like really bad, and I had to spend the rest of the week recovering. And I'm still recovering now, of course. It's so bad that I made another account because I just didn't like the way it looked. All the losses I had took, I had to go reevaluate why. And when I looked at it, it's because I was going against my own system. So I said, let me make this video showing y'all what I did wrong and what I do right, and I'm gonna just have a real conversation with y'all. So, you know, that's that. So now I gotta watch this trade because, like I said, the robot, the trading system is showing me this is the low of the day that was created. So GJ is doing a pullback, as we can see, but it counted as a sell. I'm gonna leave it and see, but I personally can tell y'all what I did wrong here. What I did wrong in this position, which I probably still will end up winning this trade, but what I did wrong in this position was I got in so late, you see. That was against the rules. It's 10:49 a.m. when I'm recording, right? I should have gotten this trade at 10 o'clock, okay? Or 9 o'clock during the New York session. Me getting in now is getting in at a sweaty position. And see, this is what I was saying before. Now, I'm willing to do it because I see the ADR is where the ADR is, and whatever the play is, my robot's going to take this trade, right? But here's the problem. The problem is where I entered. I should not have entered. Now, if you pay attention, we already got 29 pips as of 10 o'clock. It's going to change today's pip count once the candle closes. So for me to get the pip count, I will have to go to a lower time frame. A lot of y'all don't understand these systems. I'm explaining it. It's going to go by every candle that's printed. So the next candle printing for the 1 hour will be 11. So now I'm going to get the pip count for 11. But had I entered when I should have entered, which was up here a few hours ago, I would be in profit heavy on GJ right now. You understand? So this is why you have problems or you may lose trades. Now, we're getting a lot of push because we're at the end of the hour close candle. So don't be fooled by that. That's what that is. Now, you see the pip count is going up as we're approaching the close of this candle. You see the pip count, you see today's ADR going up. Y'all see it live. All this is happening. Y'all heard the robot live. Y'all heard everything live recorded. So I'm explaining to you why you pay what you pay when you get trading systems, why some don't work, why some do. The difference between this one and most is that it's teaching you how to trade. Most robots, you throw them on a chart and you don't know what's happening and you lose and you don't know why. The robot is trying to do things against the market. Look, we trade price here. 90% of anything that you see me use, it's going to be trading price action. We trade price. We follow the bank. That's why people say, oh, anyone says that. Don't listen to these people. You follow the big money, you will win every time. I'm telling y'all this now. 90% of people on YouTube say that, oh, that this and that and that and this don't work. That is why you sign up and you get cooked. Because you sign up through the referral, they trade against you because they know what kind of strategies you guys are using. I had a guy who posted a 70 pip wick on Hugo's Way on his trade yesterday, and that was non-existent on any other broker. And people were posting their same trade to show that he really got cooked. And the crazy thing is they act like you can't record these things. And this is not a knock on Hugo's Way. I use Hugo's Way, but I'm opening this new account now, and a new broker, I won't disclose the broker till I try it, because I saw that and I've been seeing it for a long time and I don't like it. So if you are having trouble trading, this is what you need to be doing. Learn a system and strategy, tweak it to your use, and then use it. You don't have to use mine, whatever one appeals to you. But this is a price action robot. It's showing you this is the bank ribbon. This is what follows the money all day long, and so do we. So if you are losing, it's because you're not following this cloud. This cloud is going to tell you exactly what way you should trade. How? If the top of the cloud is the color that you use for your buy candle, that means you should be buying. If the top of the cloud is the color of your sell candle, that means you should be selling. It's just that simple. I teach this and I'll teach it to you, but listen to what I'm saying. If you are struggling, it's because you're listening to that 90% of people who are corralling you and you are losing. You need to start thinking outside of the box, okay? Start thinking outside of the box and start doing what works best for you. Stop listening to people tell you what you should and shouldn't be doing. It does not work for you that way. It's just like going to school. You could be the worst kid in school, drop out and become somebody's boss, and all those people who went to school and graduated and got diplomas and degrees will be working for you. We all know the reality of life if you're an adult at this point. I don't even gotta fake kick it. I ain't gotta lie. I'm telling y'all straight what the truth is, okay? So pay attention to what I'm saying. I know the video is a little long-winded. I'm gonna end it here, but I had to show off that these robots work. And y'all seen me take this trade live in front of y'all. You see we had 10 pips on a one lot. You already know what I made off that. That's the first trade on this new account. And I did it in front of y'all face just to show y'all I can trade. It's real. You just gotta know. And I got in at the worst time on the trade in the position. But how did I know I was gonna be able to eat? Because the ADR told me so. This is the power of indicators and robots when they work. And people say don't use them, and that is why y'all be losing it. Stop listening to these people. That's it. It's your boy Jimmy. I'm out of here. Yo, holla at me in the comments to let me know how your trading week went, man. Because I know in my Discord, they getting busy. Dudes is over there getting funded. People was over there posting trades left and right, killing it. I'm killing it. I go on YouTube, everybody's losing. Y'all gotta tell me if I'm wrong or right. What am I doing? Am I full of crap? Am I keeping it real? Matter of fact, if you see what's going on right now, hit the like button. I don't normally even ask y'all to do that, but I'm telling y'all, I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm doing. I know y'all see this trade just hit in front of y'all face, right? For a couple pips. We gonna see. Anyway, I want to hear from y'all though, man. If you watched this video, you made it to the end, let me know how your trading week went and what's up. And go to Instagram and check out the video I just did. I did a live a couple hours ago on Instagram. It was just, talking to y'all about winning and losing trades and how to handle it. Check it out. I might post that video on this channel later, but for now, I want to let my IG live. Go to my IG and TikTok, man. I'm trying to get more followers up there, man. I'm trying to get some people who need to hear this, because not every strategy is wrong, but it may not work for you. You may need another strategy. You may need to add this to your bag. Most times for us to become successful traders, you do kind of got to add a couple things to your bag, and then you got to keep it pushing after that. But usually, yeah, if a dude is telling you something don't work or something works, a dude or female, whatever, be leery of those people, because everything works. You just got to know how to apply it, and you got to add to it. You got to tweak it. It'll work for you. Trust me. It's all about if you're serious or not. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.
Always on my grind, always on a mission. Try to tell them yeah, they were trying to listen. At me what I do, I say I hustle for a living. Plus I got that 2020 Pyrex vision. Let's go, nigga. Nothing slow, nigga. Want some more, nigga. Show, nigga. Rule number 1, grind like it pole, nigga. Bounce back, let that cash stack like it NASDAQ. Count that, so you roll, nigga. Gotta stash that. Get your chick, let your count and get it. Gotta pass that. Get your chick, being reckless with it. Yeah, we passed that. Investing shit, straight up testing shit. Win or lose, nigga. Bill Gates.